What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to recover Facebook accounts suspended 180 days. There are a few methods you could try out, and this is method 1 using Facebook Help Center. So when you open your browser, you're going to search for Facebook Help Center. Then of course you can see something like this, Facebook Help Center. The link is facebook.com help, and you're going to click on it. So here you have some options right here. You're going to use the search help articles. You're going to say Facebook disabled. And there are options here. It says my personal Facebook account is suspended or disabled. So click on it. Of course, you could go through the write-up and see if you can help yourself out with the instructions. If it's not helpful, you can come over here where it says, was this helpful? Yes or no. If it's not, click on no, and then say this solution doesn't work. And they will provide you with an option to write some information that will be helpful to them to aid you in getting your account back. So what you need to do is to provide some information here. So you need to state that your Facebook account was disabled, that you haven't violated any community guidelines or Facebook policy, and request help to recover your account. Include your Facebook name and email address where they can also reach you. And once you've done all of that, you can click on submit, having fulfilled the guidelines we've just provided in this guide. So that is step number 1. Now here's step number 2. Come over to your browser and search for Facebook feedback. Once you search for Facebook feedback, you can click on give us feedback about a Facebook feature. Click on it. Then here it says give us feedback about a Facebook feature, and you can see product or feature. Click on the drop down and you can select login and provide your feedback here. And your feedback generally should contain the details about your situation. Explain that your account was suspended or disabled without violating any Facebook community guidelines or policies. Do make sure to include your Facebook name and email address. And then once you're done with this, you can click on send and wait for a follow-up from Facebook. And our third option is to confirm your identity. On the search bar, type in identity confirmation Facebook. And here you can see contact forms Facebook. You can click on it. And of course, it's going to take you to this page where it says types of IDs that Facebook accepts. So you'll need to read through this guide as you can see what type of ID is valid, your government ID. And then once you're reading through everything, you can come over to the bottom and it says here, upload approved documents. Click on choose files and you'll need to upload your valid identity document. Before you actually click on send, you'll need to make sure that your uploaded ID matches with the name on your Facebook account. Now, this might be a challenge if you're not having the same name matching with your Facebook account, because not everyone does that. But if this doesn't work, you can try methods 1 and 2. But if your name matches exactly what is on your ID card, of course, you can use this option in order to recover your Facebook account that has been suspended. We hope this helps. But these are options to try out to recover your Facebook account suspended for 180 days.